Today we've got a new bubble up casserole. I know y'all really like those. This one's called chicken fajita bubble up. The first thing you need to do is get your biscuits and go ahead and cut those into fourths. And I started doing that. This is my last biscuit. And we'll cut that into fourths. Okay, now you will take a tablespoon of fajita seasoning and sprinkle on these. Set that aside. Get you a spoon. Kind of toss these around to kind of get fajita seasoning on everything. Okay, and then we're going to set that aside and then we're going to move to the stove. We're back at the stove. We're going to let our biscuits sit over there by themselves. I've already did the bell pepper and the onion. You'll saute them until they're soft. I just did a little touch of oil and it was olive oil. And I've already taken those back out. So now you're going to take 2 chicken breasts, and I try to cut these as small as possible. And I did pick the largest breasts out of the pack. So I cut them real small. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook these until they're done, and then the remaining part of our fajita seasoning is going to go on this chicken. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'll see you back here in a few minutes as soon as these are brown. Okay, y'all, so I've got the, get this a little bit closer. I got the chicken done. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take the remaining fajita seasoning. Put this in there with it. You can wait till it thickens and then do it, but I don't think it's gonna hurt anything putting it in there now. Okay, y'all, so the chicken got done. I had combined the peppers with it and the onions. It thickened up like it was supposed to. You have to watch it carefully because it will burn. So we got it out of there, put it in a greased 9x13 pan, and now you're going to place the biscuit pieces over the top that were covered or coated in the fajita seasoning. Now you're going to take 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese. 375-degree oven for 20 minutes or until the biscuit pieces are golden brown. Alright, y'all, this is right out of the oven. I kind of was supposed to let the biscuits cook a little bit before I put the cheese on, but it still ended up doing well. Looks like it's going to taste great and it smells great. So it's real easy, real simple, just another bubble up casserole for y'all. See y'all next time.